In today's video, I'm going to show you how I cut apples into slices, which are perfect for snack time, to pack in a lunchbox, and so much more. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share my family's favorite recipes, school lunches, and a lot of these how-to videos. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a few times a week. A lot of people have one of these apple slicers, which, to be honest, it's been in my drawer for a long time. I don't really use it, but if you have one, you use it by placing it in the center of the apple and slicing all the way down. That automatically removes the core and gives you perfect apple slices. If you don't have one of these, not a problem. It's kind of tough to cut through the apple, so I'm just going to use a knife. The bigger the apple, the larger the knife you're gonna need, so it goes across on both sides. You want your apple to stand up and not roll around, and then you're gonna slice it from the top down and create a square around the core. I do that by slicing one side and then the next and the next, and now all that's left is the core. Once you have your 4 large pieces, after that it just depends how thin and how big you need your slices. For snack time, for example, this might be too big, so I just take my knife and slice it right through the middle. Pieces like that, you may want to cut it into thirds, and now you have wedges. If you want nice, pretty slices to maybe serve for snack or appetizer, then you're gonna have to be a bit more careful and slice it thinner. I like to do that by placing my apple flat side down, and starting out from the front, I slice them as thin or thick as I want. And now you have nice thin slices for snack time, or bigger ones for fruit dip or to insert in the lunchbox. I also have a video on how to keep these apples from browning, so if you need that, check the description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and see you next time.